Want to control your PC directly from your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Chrome Remote Desktop, a simple way to remotely access and control your computer from your phone. You can use your phone to control your PC, access files, and interact with your desktop remotely. Let's begin. On your PC, open Google Chrome. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop and open the official Chrome Remote Desktop website. Go to Remote Access and start setting up your computer. Follow the instructions to install the Chrome Remote Desktop host on your PC. After installation, choose a name for your computer. Create a secure PIN that you'll use when connecting from your phone. Make sure your PC is connected to the internet and leave it powered on. Once the setup is complete, your computer should appear as an available device. Now, grab your Android phone, install the Chrome Remote Desktop app and sign in with the same Google account you used on your PC. Select your computer from the list, enter the PIN you created earlier. And that's it. Your PC's screen will now appear on your phone and you can control your computer using touch controls. You can move the cursor, open applications, browse files, and interact with your PC directly from your phone. It's useful when you need to access your computer remotely or control something without sitting directly in front of it. That's it. You can now control your PC from your mobile using Chrome Remote Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to my channel for more quick tutorials.